Jodolo e kaunti ma Bungoma koro kwedo mokalo dwaro ni kanise ma pacho ka mondo ketnegi chik matayo tijegi. E bwo riwruok margi mar Church and Clergy, jodolo go eko kotelnegi kod jakom margi Harrison Ndeda nowacho ni keto ne kanise chike biro thiro lando injili ma gisebedo ka gitimo. Bende Ndeda nolero ni kanise osebedo kaluwo chik ma pacho ka kaluwore ni gindikore kod sirikal kapok gichako tijgi mar yalo injili. Jodolo go mamoko noromo e romo manobagi e boma ma Bungoma ka bende ne gikwayo sirikal mondo were kod kanise mondo ta tijegi e yo mathuolo.
And say that all pastors should choose an umbrella body to belong to.
Correct.
And that is where we can do self-regulation. And we have umbrella bodies that are already registered under AGs.
Yes.
So let them stop hiding behind all these stories and say they don't have a framework. These umbrella bodies are registered there and they know. Just release a circular and say all pastors should belong to an umbrella body of choice, and we can regulate ourselves from their self-regulation.
We request that he should not shelve this bill, but as a president, let him he must do away with it. Aiondoe kabisa, kanisa liwe na uhuru wa kuabudu. Sisi kama kanisa ndio tumeomba hii inchi ikawa jinsi ilivyo. Jambo linalofuata ni kwamba it is not the church to give the government the sacrifice. It's the government, is the king to bring the sacrifice to the church.
Sisi ni watumishi wa kanisa. Si tunafanya kazi ingine. Sisi kazi yetu si kazi ya siasa. Ni kazi ya kuhubiri injili. Sasa masheria mingi kuhubiri amani, kuhubiri injili, kuhubiri wokovu, kuleta watu kwa Mungu, kubadilisha wabaya. Sasa imekuwaje tena sheria mingi?